Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to make brochures in Google Docs and save it and you can share it. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let's go to the my Google Drive and let me open one Google Docs file, blank Google Docs file. So now we have to change the page setup because for brochure we need landscape page. So go to the files here and go to the page setup, and here you have to choose a landscape. Okay, and change the margin with 111. Okay, so now the landscape page has been done. Now go to the format and go to the columns and click the tree text format, and then just copy paste your data, or you can say contain here. Just copy. I just have contain in notepad, so I just copied and paste it. So it will be paste like this. Okay, so now you can change the margin here, or you can change the text, like, okay, whatever text for brochure. There are many texts you can use. I will suggest Georgia. Okay, so this is, I think, newspaper text. You can change any text as per your requirement. So now can insert the image. So just hit the cursor and just insert the image if you want. You can upload from computer. Okay, and now you can change anything. You can make, like, make the bold. Okay, you can change the size of particular, line or text. Okay, you can change color of text. Just select the text which you want to change the color. Okay, you can change also background color. Go to the page setup again and go page class here and change the color. Okay, I just go with this. Okay, just click on OK here, then page color will be changed. You can see page color has been changed. Okay, so 1 second, something. Okay, the page color has been changed. You can change page color. I just show you again. You have to click on page, and from here you can change the color. Okay, don't need to go here, just change the color from here and just click OK. Then change color. You can also change font color. Just select all and change the font color as per your requirement. Okay, so I just change it with white. So yeah, so that is how you can change, you can make the brochure in Google Docs. But now you can share like this. You can share it, uh, just save the name and then again share. You can share via link. Just copy the link from here and you can share, or you can share with the email ID, or you can save as a PDF. You can just download and save as a PDF or Word document. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.